Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my hair journey. And I'm Natalie. So today we are going to do finger curls, and this is how it looks. I'm going to use Cantu curling cream and Cantu leave-in conditioner, so stay tuned for more. After washing my hair, I let it air dry for about 30 minutes. And just when the hair is a little bit damp, I go in with the Cantu products. And as you can see, the hair is a little bit damp and not that wet. The two products that I'm going to use is this leave-in conditioner cream, and the other cream is this Cantu coconut curling cream. I'll start with applying the leave-in conditioning cream, which is just a little bit of it on the hair as you finger detangle the hair as much as possible. As you can see, the curls are starting to pop out, but yeah, you really have to finger detangle the hair. Then I'm going to go in with the coconut curling cream as I finger coil the hair. So just apply it to the hair, or you can have it on your hand. On the front side, I'll try to do some styling, and I'll go for the side parts. So after making the line, I'll just start with the leave-in conditioning cream, which I apply directly on the hair and start finger detangling it. Then after I have finger detangled, I'll go in with the Cantu curling cream, which I apply directly on the hair and finger detangle the hair as well. Then I will start finger coiling the hair, and it's just easy when the hair is finger detangled. As you can see, the curls are popping out. And the whole process took me about 2 hours because my hair is so much. The next step is to style this hair, and you're going to use this afro comb just to add more volume to the hair. So you're just going in just a little bit. When it's ready, I'm just going to style because I already have this on the side. Just going to add the bobby pin just to make the style pop out. And I'll use these bobby pins. Just clip it here. This is the final look of the hair. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos. Until next time, see you. Bye.